Hello, my name is Peter Eshed. I am an affiliate marketer, and my aim is to give you quality education that will lead you to financial freedom through affiliate marketing. And today, I want to give a quick review of the Legendary Marketer. The Legendary Marketer is an online marketing education delivered simply and with integrity. And this business model has been featured in Forbes and the Entrepreneur. Now, you might want to ask, what is the legendary marketer? The legendary marketer is simply a business model, a marketing platform in which low, medium, and high ticket offer is being promoted, leading to your earning commission should you join this very model. And this very marketing model has an objective of helping people start an online business and grow an existing business also using online and cutting edge marketing strategies. It also helps people with the necessary personal, business, and marketing skills to thrive with confidence in an ever changing and highly competitive online marketplace. It provides you with a robust digital course, personalized and virtual coaching with highly dynamic and supportive live mastermind. What makes this very platform very important and unique is the founder, that is David Sharp. He has a 9 year digital marketing experience and has founded a three multi-million dollar companies from scratch. And he has also generated a quarter billion in sales online and educated over 500,000 entrepreneurs worldwide. This guy is a legend, and that's why you need to join the legendary marketer. And now I'm just going to give you uh, um, a quick review also of what each component of this marketing platform gives you. As you know, when you join this platform, you're going to learn what is necessary for personal, business, and marketing skills you need to thrive in an ever changing and highly competitive marketplace. The very first aspect of this business model is the 15 days online business builders challenge, in which you'll be taken through 15 days day by day and taught by gurus and and business associate that have experience in online marketing. And the zenith of this is when you will be given a business advisor who will guide you through on what to do to actually scale your business. The next aspect is the Legendary Marketers Club. This is the Netflix of marketing training, our flagship subscription club, pack of full training, education, and resources to help you start, grow, and scale your online business. And the other aspect of this very platform is what I will call the Traffic University. If you are into online business, you will know that the blood of any business is traffic. If you can drive traffic, you're going to make success. And the other aspect also is the affiliate marketing business plan. This is where you'll be given a day by day plan on what you need to do, how to draw your business plan that will lead you to being a successful and an effective online marketer. And the other aspect also that I'm so intrigued is the digital product business blueprint, as well as the coaching and consulting business blueprint. And the last aspect of this very marketing platform is the event mastermind business blueprint, which gives you what you need to do to set up and to run your business. And you might want to ask, what do I do? How do I get started? The best way to get started with this platform is to join the 15-day online business builders challenge. This is only $7 to start. You will be taken through the first day, what you need to do, and you'll be told what is uh, income earning activities that you need to do to be able to succeed online as a business owner. And if this video has been of any usefulness or help to you, I will implore you to click and subscribe to this channel by smashing that icon, the bell icon, and also subscribing to my channel and also promoting and sharing it with your friend. Below this video, there's a link. Click and join the Legendary Marketer. Thank you and God bless.